kindergarten. Today we're going to do lesson 11. And in this lesson, we're going to use counting bears again, just like we did before. Okay, here we go. So I have 3 counting bears right here on the screen. What we're working on today is making up number stories. It's kind of like how we talked about hidden pairs, but when we talk about number sentences and stories using numbers, we're actually going to get to be a little bit more creative, okay? So here I have the sky and I have the grass. Now I want to know, how many bears are going to go to the grass? Let's see. Okay, I have 2 bears in the grass and 1 bear that's still high up in the sky. This is a story about our numbers because we know we have 3 bears still, but we have 2 in the grass and 1 in the air. If you want to draw this out, you absolutely can because we're going to be coming up with different ways to show stories. I could also say I have 2 bears in the sky and I have 1 bear in the grass. Does that still leave me with 3 bears? Yeah, it does. It's still a story using our numbers, but we still only have 3 bears. Well, look, here I have 3 bears and they're all in the grass. Is it still 3 bears? Yeah, it is. So, we're going to practice making these number stories and making sentences using numbers. I know that sounds pretty weird, but I think you're going to like it because this is what real kindergarten math is all about. Okay, so I have 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. What do you notice about these flowers? Go ahead, say it out loud. Okay, I noticed that I have 1 flower that's yellow. Oh, I'm covering up the number. Oh no, there we go. So I have 1 flower that's yellow. What else do I have? I have 2 flowers that are red. Okay. So I have 1 flower that's yellow and 2 flowers that are red. But how many flowers do I have altogether again? Yeah, I have 3. So I have 1 yellow flower and 2 red flowers, but I have 3 flowers altogether. So you know what I can add to help me write my number sentence? This plus sign. This shows me 1 and 2. And if I have 1 and 2, how many do I have? I have 3. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And that gives me 3 altogether. Okay, this one is way trickier. I have some brown bears, and then I have a very silly looking black bear. Let's count how many bears I have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How could I write a number sentence using these bears? I know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 brown bears. Oh, I have 5 bears altogether. But I know I have 4 brown bears, and I have 1 black bear over here. So what does this tell me? 4 and 1 makes 5. So this is 4 bears and 1 bear, and we know that we have 5 altogether. Okay, for your lesson today, or your problem set today, there we go. You are going to be in charge of making these number sentences. It says count the squares and then draw the squares above the numbers. So I'm going to tell you what to do, but I'm going to have you try to do this by yourself. I have 1, 2, 3 squares, okay? But I see 2 are shaded and 1 is not shaded, so 2 and 1 makes 3. You're going to draw 2 squares above here plus 1 square right here. You're going to do the same for all of them. Okay, I know that you can do a great job. Try your very best. And remember, we're going to go over this together, so it's okay if you're not sure. Awesome job, kindergarten. See you later.